Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I am going to talk about if you guys are created a high quality backlinks, profile backlink, articles backlink, or any another category backlink. So what is the next step you guys can do once you guys can create quality backlinks? So how you guys will index your backlink quickly in Google database. So here is in this video I'm going to show you some quality method. So if you guys can follow these things, then you guys can index your backlink quickly. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit subscribe and like button. Okay, so first step, you guys can copy your URLs. So suppose that your backlinks, suppose that these are the backlinks I have created recently. Okay, so I wanting to these backlinks can index quickly in Google database. So simply you guys can select your sum of backlinks. So I have selected total 7 backlinks. Okay, 7 or 8. Let me copy the 8 backlinks. And what you guys can do, so this is pinging website. So the website name is pingform.com. So simply you guys can paste your URLs and you guys can click on mass pinging. Okay, so you guys can see this website can ping you over 200 quality websites. So where you guys can this website can send your your URLs on those websites. Okay, so this is under process. Okay, 200 high quality wiki backlinks for boost your ranking. Okay, and the next website is the wmtools.me. There you guys can paste your all URLs and you guys can click on pinging button. And on this website is under process. So now this is started your pinging, and you guys can complete these things. Then what you guys can do next, so next is you guys will aware about very familiar about the blogger.com, I guess. So simply you guys can create your profile or your blogger account. Okay, and once you guys can create your blogger account, so you simply you guys can click to create a new blog as well. So there is a new blog button, you can click over there. There you guys can add your any name. So suppose that jobma interview, and you guys can click on next button. There you guys can choose your URL. So jobma interview, and you can click interview software, and you can click on save button. So you can see the your custom URL is created. And once you guys can create these things, then you guys can simply navigate on the theme section, and you can see the in this websites this is under process, and simply you guys can select any themes. So I can going to select this one, and you guys can simply click to apply button. Got it. And what you guys can do, so after that you guys can navigate on layout section, and from there you guys can see there is a side right bar. So from there you guys can add a right bar. So there you guys can choose HTML, and what you guys can do next is bulk hyperlink generator. So there is any websites let me open this. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. This tool, and from there you guys can add your URLs. So I have copied these URLs and oh fuck. There you guys can add your URLs and you guys can add your keywords. So video, software, and you guys can click to generate hyperlink. Video interviews of, okay, so that means five, six, seven, and 8, and you guys can click to generate button. Video interview software, this is things. Okay, so you guys can copy hyperlink code and you can paste your code over there. My personal link, my personal not link, video interview software links. Software, and you guys can click to save button. And what you guys can do next is you guys can publish any blog. So video, in USA, in this section you guys can paste your URLs and you guys can click to publish button, confirm, and let me check in view section. So this URLs is cannot going to workable. So what we can do next, so bulk hyperlink generator. Okay, this is not working. So there we can add our URLs, and let me check, is this working? Video interview software, and click to generate button, and as well and simply I can copy the URLs, I can paste it over there, and let me generate. Target is this. I guess they have added all the URLs in the one attribute. I think this is this tool is also not working. Bulk anchor text generator. So the last option is what we can do. Last option is, so we can there is any of websites are So let me add URLs, and the anchor text is video software. Two six 24678, and open a new tab, not in author, external, no referral, alternatives, submit. This tool is also fucking tools. So okay, yeah. So what we can do next, so simply you guys can so we can create right now a manually, so HTML hyperlink. Simply you guys can click this keyword and you can click to open this attribute, and this is the tag. In this tag you guys can paste your, so in this section there you guys can add your URLs. So suppose that, but this is a manual process, so there you guys can add your URLs and your keyword. So you guys can simply generate video interview software, and you guys can follow the same method, and you guys can create a multiple hyperlink, and there you guys can add your backlinks. Okay, so this is a third backlink and I can paste it over there, and simply you guys can copy all the URLs, and now we can try once. So let me check, I can paste it over there and click to update button, and let me see how it is. And the layouts, I can do the same things. This is HTML, can paste a new code. So this is a post, so video interview software, so this is a working, but in the front end section this is not working. So what we can do next, simply we can click to edit button, and yeah, in the front end you can paste this code directly. So suppose that this is interview, and the another things you guys can do, simply suppose that this is a backlink. Suppose that this is a backlink, I can paste it directly over there, and you can click for the update button, and we can refresh it. So you guys can see all the links are added, all the links we have added, and the right bar section there is a keyword base, sorry, a contextual base backlinks we have added. So this is page URL, and what we can do next, if you guys are created a search console, so DML SEO tools, this is a console. If you guys are created console, so simply where you guys can add your dismiss, we can verify the property. First we have verified property, and go to the property, and in this section there you guys can add your post URL, and you can trigger for the Google can crawl your page crawl this page, and as well as they will going to crawl your backlinks in this page. Okay, so this is a process for the you guys can index your backlink quickly. What you guys have created recently are the quality backlinks, so you need to wanting to create crawl your backlink quickly or index your backlink quickly. So this is a method so you guys can follow, and you guys can index your backlink quickly. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.